Hi, my name is Terry Bakker. I'm a CPA and an enrolled agent, and I'm here representing Tax Speaker. We are a company who deals in continuing education for tax professionals. And what I'm going to talk about is the 1099-K reporting, because there's been a lot of information, misinformation, a lot of fear-mongering with regards to this form. What we're expecting, if the IRS doesn't change it again, is the 1099-Ks are going to come out if you have more than $600 from in gross revenues from either a merchant service company or from a third-party processor. Well, the third-party processors that most people are concerned with are things such as Venmo, Cashapp, and Zelle. So I just want to address these three specifically today, because there are a lot of people becoming very concerned. They say, well, I use Zelle to transfer money to my college student every month, and that adds up to more than $600. Is my college student, because they're receiving more than $600, going to get a tax form that they're going to have to pay tax on? Or you know, my sister and I switch Cashapp all the time because this is what we're working on, you know, as a family. These are personal payments. These are not in any way business transactions. So when it comes down to the income tax return, the only things that go on the U.S. income tax return are what we call business payments. So if you're conducting any sort of business, like you're doing house cleaning or you're a hairdresser, etc., and your customers pay you using these apps, then yes, you should get a form, but you are reporting that income anyway on your U.S. tax return. So let's just talk about our family issues where we are trading money back and forth. I know just a couple days ago, I used one of the cash transactions to reimburse my son for some windshield wipers. So what happens? Is he going to get this $600, you know, or more 1099-K that I have to put on my tax return? The cash applications basically have designed it so when you register originally for that application, if it's from a personal account and you deem that cash application to be personal, you will not receive a 1099-K for the personal transactions. However, when someone sends you money, they have the opportunity to designate it as either personal or business. So if you, for example, are doing house cleaning and you have one of these cash applications for your customers to go ahead and pay you, it's tied to a personal account where you also are sending and receiving personal funds that don't have anything to do with the house cleaning. The person sending you the money, if they click business, you will receive the 1099-K for anything they click business on, but nothing that is clicked personal. If you, however, you set these up as a business account, then you're going to receive a 1099-K for all of the amounts that come through. So at the end of the year, you get your 1099-K, and let's say it's for $2,000. So the next question, is that going to be taxable? Well, first you have to check your records and make sure you have good records of the money that came into your account, and double check, was that really personal or was it business? If it's personal, the IRS is telling us we're going to put that amount on what's called Statement 1 as other income. So now I know you're sitting there going, oh my gosh, it's going to show up on my tax return. Yes, but Statement 1, page 2 has what's called an other adjustment. 24Z is the line number, and you're going to put it in again, that $2,000, and say, this was a 1099-K in error. These are all personal transactions. So, are you supposed to get the form? Yes, if you have a personal account, but somebody designated it as business, or you have a business account. But if it is an error, if this amount that you receive on the 1099K was all personal transactions and you have record of that, then you put it on the Form 1040 under Statement 1, Other Income, and then it reduces out under Other Adjustment with 1099K in error personal. So I hope this puts your mind a little bit to ease as we go through these reporting changes with the 1099K. And thank you so much.